Exercise 1. Where is the correct picture? In this section, each question will have 4 pictures. You will listen to the answer and choose the correct picture. Please pay careful attention so you don't miss any information. Now, let's get started. Question 1. A sunny park with kids flying colorful kites. Trees have green leaves, and there's a small pond with ducks swimming. A sunny park with kids flying colorful kites. Trees have green leaves, and there's a small pond with ducks swimming. Question 2. A busy street where people walk fast. There are tall buildings, and a red bus is stopping near a blue sign. A busy street where people walk fast. There are tall buildings, and a red bus is stopping near a blue sign. Question 3. A desert with golden sand. The sun is high and very bright. There are a few cacti, and in the distance, there are hills. A desert with golden sand. The sun is high and very bright. There are a few cacti, and in the distance, there are hills. Question 4. A farm with many animals. Cows and sheep eat grass. There's a red barn in the distance and blue sky above. A farm with many animals. Cows and sheep eat grass. There's a red barn in the distance and blue sky above. Question 5. A garden with colorful flowers. Butterflies fly around, and there's a white bench where an old man reads a newspaper. A garden with colorful flowers. Butterflies fly around, and there's a white bench where an old man reads a newspaper. Exercise 2. Fill in the blank. Great job, everyone. Now, let's move to the next exercise. In this lesson, you will have to fill in the blank while listening to a conversation. You will have 5 seconds for each answer.
Emma, do you know where my backpack is? I've searched the entire living room.
Alex, it's hanging right behind the door. You're so absent-minded sometimes.
Oops. And my notebook? I need to jot down some important tasks.
You left it on the kitchen counter next to the toaster.
Thank you, Emma. I also can't recall where I put my glasses.
Alex, they're right on top of your head.
Oh dear, what a day. I feel so scatterbrained.
Maybe you should relax a bit. Take a short walk outside or listen to some calming music.
That sounds like a good idea, Emma. Thanks for always being patient with me.
No problem, Alex. Just remember to breathe and slow down. Exercise 3. Story time. Excellent. Now, you'll get to listen to a short story. After the story ends, there will be 5 questions for you to test your listening and memory skills. You can also listen to the story over and over again until you can answer all of the questions. So listen carefully.
Evan and his son, Tom, lived in a small house. Mia, Evan's wife, took care of everything at home. One day, Mia said, "I have to go to my friend's wedding. You and Tom will be alone for a few days." Evan felt nervous, but said, "Don't worry. Tom and I will manage everything." "Remember, set the alarm so Tom goes to school on time," Mia reminded him. "Trust me, everything will be fine," Evan replied with confidence. The next morning, the house was silent. The alarm didn't ring. Evan woke up and saw the time. "Oh no, Tom is late for school," he said. They both rushed. Tom was late for school, and Evan was late for work. At night, Tom looked at Evan and asked, "Can you cook dinner, Dad?" "Of course, leave it to me," Evan said with a smile. But soon the kitchen became a mess. Smoke filled the room and the food was burnt. They decided to order food. But it didn't taste good at all. "Let's call Mom," Tom said. They called Mia. "I wish you were here," Evan said. Mia laughed and replied, "I've only been gone a few hours. Try to get some sleep. Tomorrow will be a better day."
Number 1. Why did Mia leave home for a few days? Mia left to attend a friend's wedding in another city. Number 2. What did Mia remind Evan to do before she left? She reminded him to set an alarm for Tom's school. Number 3. What happened when Evan tried to cook? The kitchen became a mess and the food was burnt. Number 4. What was Tom's reaction to the messy kitchen? He suggested they should order food. Number 5. Who did Evan and Tom call after their meal? They called Mia. Great job! You finished the practice. How do you feel about today's lesson? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Remember to come back and practice with this video again and again to improve your speaking and listening skills. Thanks for joining Practice English with Jessica today. See you next time.